Right, finally to the man which we have all been waiting for, Jitendra Jadhav, the boss of ADA, DG ADA, very busy man. Next to him is LCA Air Force Mark II. Now, without you don't need any introduction. Straight away, I want to ask you, as we speak today, where exactly is this LCA Air Force Mark II project standing?
Thank you, Anand. LCA Mark II, we have completed the complete design and drawings are already out, and the airframe assemblies are already started. We have almost completed 70% of airframe assemblies. So we will be completing all the assemblies by June. And then we will start equipping the aircraft. Concurrently, we started developing the LRUs which you are seeing backside. Complete Mark II LRUs are almost qualified and ready. So we will start equipping the aircraft from June. We will complete equipping by August, September, and we are trying to make a first flight by end of this month or beginning of next year quarter.
Yeah, so the problem with these numbers, the dates are all, because of the past experiences, because of various reasons, yes, a lot of deadlines have skipped. So is it pakka that 2026 first quarter, or is it going to be second quarter? There are technological challenges, but the first flight by next year pakka?
Yeah, because whatever technology challenges was there about the material availability and all, we have already overcome. We have few challenges of designing the avionics system and availability of that, and that we have put lot of concurrent efforts to design and develop. So I am not finding any slippages henceforth to fly in first quarter of 2026.
Right. So Dr. Maswan Rao was saying that there is not going to be any rollout because to save time, it's going to be straight away the first flight. Likewise, whatever new first this project will have.
So this project, if you see, Mark II is a medium weight fighter aircraft. If you see the number of weapons, we have 11 weapon stations, and the number of sensors this Mark II is carrying is phenomenal. We are carrying missile approach warning system. We are calling infrared search and tracking. We are integrating SR radar. So the number of sensors are far superior and far more than the Mark I. So if number of sensors are more, the pilot needs an associate. So it will have a multi-sensor data fusion algorithms which will give a pilot workload reduction, and then that is the biggest thing it will be done. Also, the avionics of this particular thing is completely latest generation. We have done away with 1553, which is a legacy, and we have gone with the time triggered networks which are time synchronized, which will give a high data throughput which is required for multi-sensor data fusion. So the architecture is different, sensors are different, and also the algorithms in this are not fully artificial intelligence but pilot associate related. Also there will be enough synthetic vision given to the pilot for poor visibility operational. So these are the major things which will fly. Another thing is this complete airframe is designed for manufacturing and assembly. We have learned lessons from the Mark I that how to do the modularized assemblies. So all these airframe assemblies are modular in nature. Architecture is open architecture. So adaptation for any new thing is very good.
Right. So if you could just take around it as we talk. So finally, when will we get to see this Mark II in some shape at least, when you do the engine runs, when will you at least get to see that?
So once we start flying in the first quarter of 26, within a year we will go for a weapon trials, because we have to do a lot of control system related tests, also a lot of sensor related tests. So within the year we are planning to go for we are planning to go for a weapon trial.
Right.
And then probably there are 4 prototypes are getting constructed. So they will also be joining for flight test.
Right.
And we are using very high fidelity test rigs so that the flight test efforts can be reduced. So with all these things, we will be in by 2027, 2028, we will be completing complete flight test efforts.
So, sir, the normal thing is when can we expect the engine run?
Yeah. So engine run is planned almost 3 months before the flight, which is by October, November.
That is this year. That is very, very close.
Yeah.
Are you guys confident you will have it?
Yes, very much confident because all the airframe is almost in the
And
assembly.
this will not have any issues with the engines.
Engine is already available with us, 414.
It is so. Yeah, it will not run into problem like the other
No,
engine.
no, not at
You
all.
have enough engine
We
stock.
have enough engine for prototype development.
Right. So, this time when during the reviews with the Air Force, we have been also speaking to the Air Force people. Are they now fully on your side with regard to this project?
Yeah, Air Force is fully supporting and they are a risk-sharing partner also in the development. So there is no problem from the Air Force at all.
So, when you say risk-sharing partner, what does it mean?
What is the mean means Air Force share is 30% of the funding.
Right. All right. So that is Jitendra Jadhav. So he wants now to have the second part of the India Pavilion. His next maybe that is AMCA. So that will come after in a bit.